Hi, this is Gomati from Artifacets, and this is
Anvita.
say hi.
Hi.
So, Anvita wants something to be made and she wants to make it herself. What is it?
It is an heart pendant.
It is a heart pendant. So, Anvita likes hearts and she likes pink hearts, correct?
Alright.
Or red. Pink or red heart. And we both will make a heart pendant and a necklace together, and Anvita will wear it and show it to you, okay? Let's get started.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Show some excitement.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So, we take some talcum powder first on your hands. Why do we take this?
So it doesn't stick on our hand.
Very good. What doesn't stick to your hand?
Dry clay.
Dry clay. So we'll take a bit of this. Wait. And a bit of this. Okay. Now, can you just mix them together?
Okay.
Mix them together. Come here and do.
Auntie, the blue color clay looks like concrete color.
What color?
Blue color clay looks like concrete color.
Concrete color.
Yeah.
Cement, not concrete. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is how it looks like once we have completed it fully. And Anvita?
It's done, 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 it's done.
Okay. Will you wear it and show it to everyone?
Okay.
Okay. Wait. So Anvita is finally wearing it.
Yes.
Do you like it, Anvita?
Yes.
Shall we make more such videos?
Yes.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And keep watching Artifacets for more videos. Yes, Anvita?
And click the bell icon
For?
the instant updates.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you.